On the 29th of September, a team of planet hunters from the University of California and the Kennedy Institute of Washington has announced the discovery of a planet with 3 times the mass of Earth orbiting the nearby star at a distance that places it squarely in the middle of the star's habitable zone. To astronomers, a potentially habitable planet is one that could sustain life, not necessarily one where humans would thrive. Habitability depends on many factors, but having liquid water and an atmosphere are among the most important. The new findings are based on 11 years of observations of the nearby red dwarf star Gliese 581 using the high-res spectrometer on the Keck 1 telescope. Multiple planets induce complex wobbles in the star's motion, and astronomers use sophisticated analysis to detect planets and determine their orbits and masses. Our findings offer a very compelling case for a potentially habitable planet, said Stephen Vogt, professor of astronomy and astrophysics at UC Santa Cruz, who together with Paul Butler from Carnegie Institute led this research. The fact that we were able to detect this planet so quickly and so nearby tells us that planets like this must be really common. The paper reports the discovery of 2 new planets around Gliese 581. This brings the total number of known planets around this star to 6. Like our solar system, the planets around Gliese 581 have nearly circular orbits. The new planet, designated Gliese 581J, has a mass 3 to 4 times that of Earth and orbits its stars in just under 37 days. Its mass indicated that it is probably a rocky planet with a definite surface and enough gravity to hold on to an atmosphere. Gliese 581, located 20 light-years away from Earth in the constellation Libra, has 2 previously detected planets that light at the edges of the habitable zone. The planet is tidally locked to the star, meaning that one side is always facing the star and basking in perpetual daylight, while the side facing away from the star is in perpetual darkness. One effect of this is to stabilize the planet's surface climates, according to Vogt. The most habitable zone on the planet's surface would be the line between shadow and light, known as the terminator. Modern science starts reminding us science fiction of 60s. Stephen Vogt? By the way, what a remarkable name! Don't you remember what was Van Vogt for American science fiction in the middle of previous century? Well, so Vogt says about potential prevalence of planets similar to the Earth in our galaxy. And if we have already found such planet with modern technology in our nearest neighborhood, this means that there are many, really many planets of such kind. This means that some of them host life. This means that some of these host extraterrestrial intelligence. This means that we are not alone.